Hello everyone. I'm back with my new zero oil recipe for this week, which is हम सबकी favorite dal makhani. So शुरू करते हैं with ingredients first. 3/4 cup whole black lentils and 1/4 cup kidney beans, which have been soaked overnight in 3 cups of water and pressure cooked for 3 to 4 whistles at medium flame. 1 medium-sized onion, better if you use white onion, and 2 large tomatoes, 1 green chilli, ginger garlic paste, 2 cloves, 2 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, half teaspoon Kashmiri Lal Mirch and salt as per taste, half teaspoon sugar, cinnamon powder, and 1 teaspoon fresh cream. So let's start with the recipe. We'll take onion, tomatoes and green chilli in a pan, add a cup of water, boil it for 5 minutes, let it cool down, and then we'll make a fine paste of it. And please do not throw away the water, leftover water in which we boil onion and tomatoes, because it has all the flavors and we'll add this to our dish. Heat the pan for a few seconds. And add the whole spices, 2 cloves, 2 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom. Now we'll add onion tomato puree. Stir it well. Add ginger garlic paste to it. We'll cover the pan for a few minutes and let the gravy cook. Let's check the dish. We'll now add salt and cinnamon powder. Kashmiri Lal Mirch and sugar. And mix it well. Let's add the leftover water and mix it well, and we'll let it cook for a few more minutes. We'll now add cooked dal to this. Mix it well. So the secret behind yum taste of dal makhani entirely depends on how long you cook it. I'll cook it on low flame at least for 45 minutes. You can also cook it for 1 to 1.5 hours. So let's check our dal, and as you can see, the gravy has thickened enough, and the consistency of dal makhani is not too thick or thin. It should be medium. Do keep stirring dal at regular intervals to avoid lentils getting stuck at the bottom of the pan. So our dal looks all ready to be transferred to the serving bowl now. Just a suggestion, you can also use charcoal smoking technique, or as we call thungar method. It works really well, but again, it's completely optional. So our dal is all ready to be served. Before that, you can also add a teaspoon of fresh cream, and again, that's optional. And here we are. Enjoy this yum guilt-free dal makhani with tandoori roti, naan, And as I say, I personally enjoy it with my bowl of brown rice. So friends, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. We'll meet you guys next week with some new zero oil recipe. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, stay healthy. Take care. Bye bye.